Tech stocks have lost $1.6 trillion in value in 2026. This is a massive signal that something fundamental in the software industry is changing right now. Entire categories of software companies are losing value very quickly. Why is this happening? Because we are starting to move beyond traditional software. The model of opening an app, clicking through screens, and manually doing the work is beginning to change. We are entering a world where software is no longer just a tool. It becomes something closer to a coworker. A coworker that completes tasks for you. Not just something that gives you information or suggestions. This coworker understands your domain and your type of work. It could be legal work, marketing operations, sales research, or customer support. It comes pre-trained with capabilities for these business functions, and you can customize it to match the exact workflows and tools in your organization. That's exactly what Claude Cowork does with plugins. All right, let me show you the power of Claude Cowork. This is the Claude app. Now in the Claude app, there are the three options, and the way to go to Cowork is to click on the Cowork tab. In the left panel, you would see plugins, and this is the powerful package which is taking the software industry by storm. To get the plugins, what you do is go to the top left and click on Add Plugin, and then you browse the plugin. Anthropic right now has a limited number of plugins by business group. Plugins for customer support, finance, legal, marketing. And now once you have installed the plugins, you can go back and you would see them on the left panel. Like each of those plugins has three components. Commands is one of the components within this plugin. So what does command mean? The key thing with command is that it is explicitly invoked by the user. Now there is another component called the connectors. With connectors is nothing but how you connect to external applications. So for example, Notion or a Slack. The third thing is skills, and that's the most important one. Skills is invoked automatically by the AI model when you give it instructions. And once you start out and you want to explore what the skills are doing, what you want to do is go to each of the skills. For example, customer search, customer research, escalation, knowledge management. All those things are different skills, and from the skills you can really go to these three dots and say try in chat. I tried it out for customer research, and here is what it did. It really shows you what this skill can do. You can really get a feel of what each of these skills does. Now let's go back to the chat and show you how we work with this on a daily basis. So one of the things strongly suggested is that you really give it a folder. So for example, I have a folder here for contract. I put a contract there, and then I allow it to access that. And then from the plugin, when you click on this plus, you have this plugins, and you can actually go through each of the plugins here. Like for example, for customer support, I have a draft response command. I have a customer research skill. Actually, you get an idea of what the capabilities of the AI is by business. Legal is a popular plugin which has really led to a 20% decrease in legal tech stock. For example, if you want to review the contract, go to legal and say review contract. I did that sometime back, and then here is what it did. Reviewed it, it redlined it, it gave me what is the critical issues, what to negotiate and what to accept. One of the things I tried was within marketing, the SEO audit, and it gave a complete summary in terms of what are the SEO improvements that I can do. That was a quick walkthrough of Claude Cowork plugins. And these are just a glimpse into what AI coworkers will look like. If you want more deep dives into how agentic AI is changing the way we work, subscribe to this channel. And if you want to understand the basics of what Claude Cowork is, check out this video next. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.